Hi guys, this is Vijayta and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I painted this artwork on a handmade paper. Yes, this is exactly the same paper that I created in my last video. If you haven't checked it already, you can check it now. I will put the link in the description. So I have already done some of the paintings on this paper and I decided to paint it with you on this video today. So before I start this, I have a giveaway announcement in the end of this video, so stay tuned and let's just quickly start the painting. I'm using flat brush 3 by 8 for the background and number 4 for the details. So I'll put the link of all the art supplies that I used in this video in the description. I am using Bristol's gouache paint and this is teal blue and I'm using this for the background. So I'll start off with plain flat background. You can use acrylic or poster color if you like. I just like gouache, so I'm using gouache. Okay, so once the background is dry, I'm gonna do a rough sketch of the branches that I'm gonna do. I'm using a very light stroke of the pencil, and I'm just doing random branches. I'm not even following the painting right now. Once I'm done doing the sketch, I am using light brown with some white to do the base for the branch. Don't worry, I mean, you can use any shade of brown. I'm just laying it out for the base. I'm gonna add details later on, so it doesn't matter how dark or light the brown is because I'm gonna do layers and layers on it to add detail. Once I was done painting the base with brown, I added some green with brown and painted a layer of that. I kept adding the layer of brown over and over until I was satisfied with the detail. So that's what I do with my paintings. I go over and over on it and paint layers and layers of it until I'm satisfied with the details that I want in the painting. So you can see I am using dark brown and then I added some black with the brown and made it darker to give more dimension and depth to the painting. And that's about it. So once you are done painting the branches, you can start off with the flowers. For the flowers, I'm using white, a little bit of yellow, and I'm just randomly painting flowers on the branches, adding dots and a little bit of strokes of it. And yeah, that's it. So I added a little bit of yellow in the middle of the flowers to give more details to it, to give dimension. Yeah, to add details, I added some yellow, and that's about it. Let me know if it was easy for you because I think it's pretty easy to paint and I did not put a lot of effort to paint this. Now I'm gonna announce the giveaway. Since I have reached 40,000 subscribers, first of all, thank you so much, guys. I am so overwhelmed. So I decided to do this giveaway. The first winner of this giveaway will get this sketchbook journal by Menora. It is A5 size, 180 GSM paper. It is good for watercolor, good for acrylic, gouache, anything that you want to do, you can do it. I'm already using it and loving it. The second winner will get this Faber-Castell Pit Artist pen. It's a set of 4. It has different sizes. This is really good for doodling, calligraphy, or you want to draw something over your painting. The third winner will get this Cameline Artist watercolor. This is exactly the watercolor set that I use for my paintings, and I'm giving this away. Don't worry, you're gonna get the new ones. So, to win this giveaway, there are 2 rules. Number 1, you have to subscribe to my channel, of course. The second rule is to comment in this video and tell me which video from my channel you like the most and why. That's it. So the giveaway will end on 10th of September. That's when the winners will be announced. I will put the names of the winners in this video and I will also share the names of the winners on my Instagram stories. So when you comment below on this video, do not forget to share your Insta handle. and follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. And if you don't have Instagram, you can share your email ID so that I can reach you out on your emails. So what are you waiting for? Start commenting on the video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.